backward. Right, it's gonna be sick. Let's go. You ready?
You need a tube right now?
Yeah, he's ready.
Oh my god, I'm cold. I'm scared.
Let's go.
Bruh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Woo! Got the croc gang.
Wait, is this where
Yeah!
Hey, don't record.
Woo! Yeah! All right. Good.
To get out. If you happen to get stuck, we'll go side to side. That should get you unstuck. If not, stay inside the tube. We'll call someone to come get you, okay? Okay. You guys ready? Yeah. You can put your leg up if you want.
Under?
Yeah, whatever.
Oh my god.
2,000 years later.
You were scared for him? My butt hurt. I thought it was so loud. I was so scared. Mom, why are you screaming? Because I was doing a baby.
What happened?
That was scary because I went down and then the wheel bumped and then it hurt my butt, so then I started screaming.
know it didn't hurt me because I had it.
Gee, that was cool. I wanted to do that again.
Go ahead and get off. Oh my god, I think
So we're gonna do yellow now?
A few moments later.
How you feeling?
It hurts.
Huh?
It hurts.
It hurts?
Yes.
You said you wanted to carry it though.
I feel pain.
Are you ready for this ride though?
No.
No?
I'm probably gonna cry on this one. Like the blue one, the other blue one.
Why?
Because.
Too scared?
Yeah. That's the first ride that I ever went to because.
Alright, this place is pretty dope so far. Another ride as well. After this one, we have the pink one. I think that's single rider. So I'll be on that by myself. And then he'll get on him by himself. Pretty cool. We're gonna get to the top. And we're gonna record the game ride.
Make sure you lean back a little, okay? You can lean with your back against this. Okay.
Put your back.
There you go. Alright guys, make sure you hold on to your handlebars at all times. Stay seated until they get up, stop, or turn the light off on the ride. If you get stuck, wiggle, just go select and send help, alright? Do you have any questions?
No.
Good to go? Alright. Have fun guys.
Okay. Yo! Whoa! Oh, it also has like the ball! Woo! It's blue coming! Whoa! What? What the heck? Oh, dude, my boat was sliding on the line.
Yeah!
Oh, I never finished on this.
Woo!
Woo! Oh yeah, going back.
Oh, we're going backwards.
No, wait, no, this is bad.
Oh! Oh!
Oh no! Oh my god, that was so scary. Alright guys, get off.
This is your first time?
Yeah, not being here, but like this ride being
On a single tube rider? How you feeling?
scared.
What do you think's gonna happen?
Cry,
You're gonna cry?
maybe.
You wanna hold the vlog?
No,
No?
because then I'll probably just drop it. And also I probably
What
won't
should the
drop
people that are watching do?
like and subscribe.
Say that again?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. You heard him.
Yeah. I don't know why I do that.
Update, we're on the lazy river, but Adrian got stuck on the ride and we were just on the pink one. And this guy was screaming for help. It was kind of sad. The lifeguard had to go in the ride to save him. That was pretty crazy. I'd never seen that before. And then, yeah, we did a hyperlapse of the rest of the lazy river ride. Catch up with you guys. Man, it's great. just to come out here and relax. So I'm back from school now. Back from basketball. Not stress. Just like a lot of classes and stuff like that. It's cool to have these days to just relax, sit back, get on some rides.
A few minutes later.
Alright guys, we ate that funnel cake and we ate the Dippin' Dots as well. Pretty fun day.
Emo, OMG, wait.
That's Anissa, if you didn't know. How was the rides? You had fun? You guys had fun?
Yeah.
Get in there.
Well, except when I got stuck.
Pretty fun day. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe.
There's that. And we're really hungry.
She's an 8th grader. How old are you? 13.
And I'm hungry.
You're 10.
And I'm hungry.
And you're in 5th grade, right?
Yeah. I'm hungry.
Alright, well, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and
Oh my god.
and that's the video.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, we're gonna wrap it up there. Once again, hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.
I'm hungry.